Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on adjusting the closure of your Thermomix TM31. This process is crucial for ensuring your appliance functions correctly and safely. Let's dive into the tools and steps required for this adjustment. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure your Thermomix is unplugged before you begin. Start by removing the bowl from the base. This will give you better access to the closure mechanism. Next, locate the screws on the side of the lid. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these, ensuring you keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lid off. You may notice some residue or food particles around the closure area. It's essential to clean this thoroughly with a soft cloth to prevent any interference with the mechanism. A clean appliance not only functions better, but also extends its lifespan. Now let's focus on the closure adjustment itself. Inspect the closure mechanism for any signs of wear or damage. If you find that the closure is misaligned, you can adjust it by loosening the screws slightly and repositioning the lid. Remember, it's important to ensure that the lid sits evenly on the base. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Our team can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Once you've adjusted the closure, retighten the screws carefully. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage to the lid or the closure mechanism. After securing the screws, reattach the bowl to the base and plug in your Thermomix. Test the closure by pressing down on the lid to ensure it locks securely. If it feels loose or doesn't click into place, you may need to repeat the adjustment process. Remember, a properly functioning closure is vital for the safety and efficiency of your Thermomix. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can enjoy the convenience of having your appliance serviced right from your home. In summary, adjusting the closure of your Thermomix TM31 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can ensure your appliance is in top shape. Happy cooking! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.